Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Matillion for ETL orchestration. Detailed guide step by step. Click. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for your Matillion ETL instance. Press the enter key to load the page. Once the page is loaded, look for the login fields. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Ensure that both the email and password are correct. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. After entering your credentials, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. Wait for the system to process your login information. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Matillion dashboard. If you encounter an error, check your email and password for accuracy. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to your administrator for assistance. Once on the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the interface. You are now logged in and ready to start working with Matillion for ETL orchestration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.